about just hundreds of meters from Pakistan's military academy, people were asking questions as to why the government has not taken the people into confidence, neither the Prime
रिफ्लेक्शन आता है ना वहाँ देख
area during that firefight, which lasted for several minutes, 40 minutes, we're told, according to the details coming out of the American operation.
You know, I think maybe the biggest issue tomorrow is trust. The United States has explicitly said
अब तो दूसरा लगा
Using, their helicopters to fly low, but there are serious questions in Pakistan as to what is the leadership of this country doing. There is going to be a backlash, even though people expected to come, that the people would come out on the streets and start chanting.
Pakistan have been absolutely transparent with each other, direct, fair, and have not suspected
विवाह के हवन में जल गया आनंदी का हर सपना बिखर गई उसके परिवार की हर खुशी अब वक्त ही तय करेगा आनंदी और उसके परिवार का ये सफर बालिका वतन आज रात 8 बजे सिर्फ कलर्स पर ये प्रायोजक है
बात नहीं करोगे तुम्हारा खाना कहाँ मदद में आया ये मदद कर है भाई तू मेरे लिए दोस्त कम
अरे और कितना बचा है? दीदी, मैं सो रही है। शायद
रोज सुबह 8 बजे